Okay, remember that this tape is copyrighted material. Duplication is prohibited by law. And that having been said, you can get a copy. If you want a copy of this tape, you can get it from witts.ws. And what we have here is a car that's been set up to run on water. It's actually just set up to idle on water right now. We have had them running down the road on water. This one's just, an old car, and so we put a few things on it and worked on it and worked on it and worked on it. Now we got it idling, and to get it running down the road, you have to do more work on it, basically. But let me go over the parts with you. Basically, we got a water tank here. It used to be the windshield washer fluid tank. We got an electrolyzer. We got a heater. Heat comes off the exhaust and helps heat the water. That goes through this. Everything goes through this hose. Starts here with the hose. See the hose coming off here, and then goes through there and goes through here, goes through here, and it goes into the carburetor. This is the old gas line. You see the valve off. This is a 90-degree valve. That's on. This is off. That goes to the carburetor. I'll take the breather area, part of the breather off, so you can look all the way around it and see there's no other hoses hidden or any crazy thing going on there. Once you got all that in there, then feel free to walk back to the other side. And gas line is still disconnected. Make sure you show that when I... Oh yeah, well, we'll show it again when I start it. Okay, right now we're going to put in water. What we have here is just plain distilled water. You can use any kind of water, but this is what we got because it's sealed. Use spring water. You could use water out of your spigot. And you got the seal in there. And we're pulling the seal. And we're tasting the water. Just good clean water. And we're filling up our water tank. And by the way, you get about, on the cars that we've done like this, you get about, the cars we've done like this, you get about same miles per gallon unless you recycle the water. Mostly what comes out of the tailpipe is steam, so that can be recycled. If you recycle it, you can get about 250 miles. Roughly to the gallon of water. And hopefully everything's set up right. And we'll start it up. Still see the gas line still disconnected. It's off. I'll take the air breather off, but it might die. Feel free to... Oh, the other thing I wanted to show was the exhaust. On a sunny day like today, you don't see it, but you definitely feel it. Yeah, well, even in video, I ain't gonna do a whole lot of video. So that's about it. Basically, a water-powered car. What else here to show? It's not set up to run down the road yet. It's just set up to idle. Water is hydrogen and oxygen, and basically hydrogen is very combustible and oxygen makes combustion work better. So, I guess that's it. The power of water. You can turn it off.